Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about sports and exercise. This is video number 2. And as you know, this is general English vocabulary course in general for any English learner, in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students. So I have covered more than 27 topics in my common topics in my course, and we are at this topic. So open the playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Contest. Contest is a noun. It means a competition in which people try to win something, especially in for sports. Collocations: a dance contest, a sports contest. The stadium was filled to capacity an hour before the contest. Okay, before the competition it was filled. The dance contest was held in London and everybody enjoyed it. Championship it means a high level competition. It is a high level competition to find the best player or best team. Championship. Tournament, this is very important also when there are sports. A sport competition in which a number of teams or players compete in a series of matches until only one is left is called tournament. A tennis tournament, a chess tournament, or a golf tournament. Take up. Take up is a phrasal verb. Phrasal verb, it means when you are interested in something and spend time with pleasure doing it, like a hobby or a sport. Take up. John want to take up yoga because it is interesting for him and he enjoys. Spectators, very good word. Instead of using any other simple, is a very good word. Spectators, people who watch a match or a sporting event are called spectators. Amateur. Amateur is an adjective. It means to take part in an activity not for money but only for pleasure. Amateur. You have to use the last part, very small sound of R, and put your stress at this part. This part will not be stress. Amateur. Synonyms. Synonym can be non-professional or outsider. John started his career as an amateur singer, but now he is a rock star. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, comment and update. For updates, check description box and link to my Facebook group. Like, comment and share. Press bell icon to receive more videos on all of these courses. Thank you. Fan. Fan is a noun. It means someone who admires and supports a famous person, like a sports star. Someone who admires and supports a famous person like a sports star is called fan. Can be a synonym can be supporter, lover, follower, enthusiastic. Collocations we can a big adoring fan, big fan. Big fan is a bit common. A dedicated fan, a devoted fan, great, keen fan, loyal fan, real fan. Big fan is a bit more common than others. Example sentence can be: I am a big fan of Australian cricket team. I have been a huge fan of football. To drop out means to leave a competition. To drop out, to leave a competition. To warm up means to do gentle exercise to prepare for something. It's called to warm up. To do gentle exercise to prepare for something, to warm up. Course. It is an area of land that is used for long running events like marathons, car racing, and a golf. It's called course. Draw. Draw is when two teams finish a game with the same number of points or goals. It also means also called a tie, where draw is equal to tie. It was a very boring game to watch and it ended up in a draw. It ended up in a draw. Very good collocation. Ended up in a draw. The score was 4-4. Score was equal. So it is, if score is equal, it is a draw or tie. League, a group of sport clubs that from one area that play against each other for the season to try and win the championship. For example, Barcelona and Madrid are, these are two leagues of football that play with each other. Stamina is a physical or mental strength to do an activity, especially for sports you can use stamina. Proscribe. Proscribe is a verb, not prescribe is with O. Proscribe. It means forbid or prohibit the use of something by an authority. Proscribed, not prescribed, is proscribed. Prescribed is that we give to the patient, that we doctors give to the patient is prescribed drug. Proscribed, that is not allowed to use for especially for sports. Okay, proscribed because this enhances their power and so they can deceive others with their best performance. Proscribed drugs are prescribed activity enhancing drugs. Prescribed drugs are activity enhancing drugs. Prescribed drugs that are not allowed to take in a sporting event. Those drugs that are not allowed to take in a sporting event. You can use this as a sentence also. See vocabulary in layer and hobbies lesson because there are many words that are related to this topic of sports and exercise. Okay, for example, in layer you are talking about exercise, and in hobbies you can talk about this also. So look at the topic of layer and hobbies and you will find a lot of vocabulary to use in this topic. So please look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon to receive more videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Thank you very much.